Hey, what's going on guys? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your very own tier list. In today's video, we're going to be using tiermaker.com. Now this website is free to use and you can make any tier list you would like to make. Now for example, here's the front page of the website. They've also got categories up here you can click and you've got all of these actors, anime, Apex Legends, all of them. Now let's go back to the front page and let's click on greatest video games of all time. This is how the tier lists work. You just drag and drop the images, and yeah, this is really fun to do if you have an audience on Twitch, a Discord server, and you want to see what your community likes, or maybe you just want to do a tier list between your friends if you're arguing about what's the best restaurant, what's the best game, you know? So here's how you do it. What you want to do is you want to go to the top right hand corner, click login, and pick Twitter or Google. Now, once you log in, you're going to be greeted with the front page again. Go ahead and click make a template and you'll be brought to this page here. Now, I've already gone and given my template a name and I've given it a category and a description. You then have to go ahead and upload a cover photo. You can just go on Google and save one directly. You then have to upload at minimum 5 images for your template. That's pretty easy to do. Then again, I just searched up rappers, saved the images and uploaded them to the website. You can choose between square, landscape, portrait, circle, or no cropping at all. I've gone ahead and put square. You can add a URL for the images to credit them. And we have S tier, A tier, B tier. You can change this to like God tier, hero tier, anything you would like. I'm just going to keep it as the normal and we're going to click submit. Now, give it a second. Here we go. Best rappers of all time, tier list maker. And as you can see, we can go ahead and rank all of these rappers however we choose to do so. And I can click share on Twitter. I can click share on Facebook. I can view the community rank of my tier list. And yeah, I hope you guys learned something in today's video. Peace out, and I'll see y'all in the next one.